Hey guys, so this is the final update of the HuxBox Arduino project that I've been working on. I've been working on for the last couple of weeks, but before we do that, let's get some coffee. So let's get this episode rolling. It's really important we get this project done, as I've caught him up in the act again, flicking switches, which we'll see now. So the goal this week is to get this all wired up and have it working for Huxley really soon. Okay, so unfortunately I've hit a bit of a snag, and yeah, I'm going to spend some time now trying to figure it out. But what's happened is that my simulation is working on Tinkercad, but it's not working on my Arduino board. The lights are working, so they're flashing the Knight Rider style, but it's not going when I push the button. In fact, it's not waiting for the button to be pushed. So I need to revisit the code. I might look up some tutorials. I'm not going to bore you guys with that part in this video, but yeah, just so you know, my honest feedback is that the simulation works in Tinkercad, but it's somehow not translating onto the Arduino board. When I do figure out though, yeah, I'm going to give a little update in this video. I managed to find a forum post that saved my butt on this project, so I managed to get it to work. It's not quite exactly how I wanted it, but the code does work. So one of the problems that happened was that when you push a switch on an Arduino, there's so much stuff happening on the current circuit I'm using that there needs to be a delay between the button being pushed down and the actual program being allowed to run. So there was no delay before, and so the program was just running continuously, but with this new help from a Arduino forum user Bulldog Lowell, thank you so much. I don't think you'll ever see this video. I'll probably sign up to the forums just so that I can message you. It's been super helpful, and it was super interesting as well was seeing him interact with someone else on the forum who was brand new to coding. He showed a lot of patience, a lot of kindness, and that's exactly what I want for my channel, so I'll do my best to get in touch with Bulldog Lowell. Yeah, so this project's finished. It's not perfect, but I want to test it with Huxley. I want to see how he uses it, and yeah, I don't want to let perfect get in the way of good. It's a quote I've heard recently. Do not let perfect get in the way of good. And so we're going to focus on shipping, we're going to focus on getting projects out, and we're going to focus on getting them done to the best of our abilities, but learning what we need to and doing what we need to in order to see people use it. In this case, that people or that person is my 18-month-old Huxley. So yeah, I'm going to show some clips of him using it now.